basically we have the function here, x to the third plus x to the second times y to the third plus x times y to the second plus y to the third minus 27 equals 0. So we want to find the function of the tangent line at x equals 2. So, I mean when x equals 0, because it says right here. So, in order to find this, we have to do dy dx.
Yup. Yup.
Now, if we did dy dx, we'd have to do the derivative of each one of these individually, and we have x's and y's, so it all gets very complicated. So there is an alternate way to solve this.
Yup.
Do you remember when we did partial derivatives? Well, there is a special formula to do partial derivatives to find dy dx. It's all linked to the partial derivative chain rule. So partial f, since that's the function overall with respect to x, divided by
Not quite.
partial f with respect to y.
Yep.
Now, if we go ahead and solve this, partial f with respect to x, that means we treat everything else but x as a constant.
Help.
So this is an x, so that becomes 3x squared plus 2x times y to the third plus y to the second, and that's it, because since this bunch is a constant, it becomes a 0. Partial f with respect to y, x squared times 3y squared plus x times 2y plus 3y squared. Now, we want to know when x is 0, but that means what is y? This becomes 0, this becomes 0, this becomes 0. So we only have y cubed minus 27 equals 0. Move 27 to the other side. Y cubed equals 27. That means y equals 3. We have to do this again now. 3x squared plus 2x y cubed plus over x squared 3y squared plus x times 2y plus 3y squared. This is correct. So now, since we know y is 3 and x is 0, the point would be 0, 3. So we have to plug in 0 for x and 3 for y to get our gradient. So this would become a 0, this becomes a 0, 3 squared equals 9. Divided by 0, this becomes 0, this becomes 0, and 3y squared. 3 squared is 9, 27. Oh wait, and you have to remember the minus sign, because it's here. So it's minus 9 over 27, which equals minus 1/3. So our gradient is minus 1/3. So y equals minus 1/3 x plus b. We know y equals 3. And since x is 0, minus 1/3 times 0 is 0 plus b, which means b equals 3. So our function would be y equals minus 1/3 x plus 3. Now I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like. So this was the function originally. I apologise for any inconvenience caused. You press here, you will see that it carries on. doesn't just stop here. So it unravels our real original equation, and we said we wanted to find out the point 0,3, and we found the
Dad?
tangent for the point 0,3. So I think I'll end this video here.